That's how they do birthdays in the Fusion and Dina. There you go. Now they're rocking out. So we're going off the alpaca. Does it look like that? So alpaca is on the menu tonight, boys. And you got the grilled trouts for my lovely pescado eater right here. We have our drinks with us. Non-alcoholic pina colada. Is that orange juice? And lemonade.
No, that's really good.
Is it cold? Yeah, we had to ask for, ooh, that's pretty cool ice.
Yeah.
We had to ask for ice.
It's okay. It's okay.
Disaster at table 3. And this is my alpaca. And Lisa's eyeing my pyramid of rice.
I know, right?
She did not get any rice with her trout.
Okay. I got a lot of vegetables.
Very good. We have a great view of Plaza de Armas out here. A view of the ladies with alpacas crossing the square. They'll gladly let you take your picture with their llamas and them for a small fee of 15 soles. Inflation. How is it, honey? Is it good? I starved our whole morning, so pretty much anything would taste good right about now. That's right. We hiked all the way up to Cristo Blanco and Sexy Woman and walked back. Rested a few minutes to gather our strength. So this alpaca, look at that. Different.
Different taste.
A little different.
Do you like it?
Not sure yet. Tastes a little bit like lamb if you like lamb.
Okay.
A little bit like that. It's a little gamey, yeah. It's kind of strong flavored.
Oh really? Alright. At least you try.
I probably won't get it again.
No.
At least I could say I tried it once.
Yeah, that's good. Are you gonna try the pig? What is that?
The koi?
The koi?
Yeah, guinea pig, I'll try it.
Guinea pig, oh, with the head?
If they bring it that way.
Yeah, okay. We can try that tomorrow.
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna like this?
I don't think you're going to like it. She's going to try it. Alright, so most of my meat is still left. I'm putting alpaca on my do not try list. I can tolerate it better than Annalisa does, and I'm used to eating gamey stuff like deer meat. I hunt and eat deer all the time. And okay with lamb. Lamb's okay. This is a little bit stronger than either one of those. So yeah, it's not that good. Put that on my, it's definitely on my do not try list. Plaza de Armas, Cusco. If I could say that quickly. Nice lighting, so I had to stop and take another video. Nice Arco de Santa Clara. Outside the park here is another park. San Pedro Market is a happening place on a Sunday afternoon. San Pedro, yeah, plenty of street vendors out here. A little bit of a walk though, it's a little bit farther of a walk than I really wanted from Plaza de Armas. But they say this is where you should go to buy your stuff at. Muchos Jugo in San Pedro Market. Lots to buy. All the middle stuff is all food. Around the edges is other stuff. It's like somebody just got married. Congratulations to the lucky couple.